Hello everyone, this is Munam from WP Swings and welcome all of you to our channel of WP Swings, where we discuss WordPress and WooCommerce solutions that can help you grow your online business, which will ultimately assist you to provide a top-notch user experience and customer satisfaction. Hence, stay tuned with our channel to keep getting back-to-back product tutorials and interesting updates. So we are on the WordPress dashboard and we are back with the new feature series in which we will discuss some important features of different plugins. Like in this video, we will discuss important features of Upsell Order Bump offer for WooCommerce Pro, which you can easily set up and increase your customer engagement and sales rapidly. So now let's quickly click on Order Bump settings and now let's switch to global settings. So here, as you can see that the very first feature that I am going to discuss is Bump Offer Appearance. So we have provided like two options to decide the bump offer appearance, like if you want to select opens without pop-up or opens with pop-up. So let's click on opens with pop-up. And now let me discuss the next feature, that is arrow feature. So basically from here you can enable this arrow feature to show arrow on the offer checkout. So basically this feature will greatly help you, as it will help the customers to directly grab the attention, like where they have to click on the checkbox to grab that particular offer. So these two features can be enabled from here, and after doing the changes you can simply click on save changes. So now let's quickly move to shop page, and here let me select any of this product. So now let's click on view cart. So here as you can see that I have added two quantities of this Apple iPhone XS, and as soon as I will click on proceed to checkout, so as you can see that the Upsell Order Bump offer has appeared in the form of pop-up, and as you can see that this is the arrow that I was talking about. So from here you can easily enable to show that particular arrow so that the customer can see, like from here they have to click on this checkbox to grab this particular offer. And if you want to show this particular bump offer appearance like this pop-up, so from here you can easily enable it, like from here bump offer appearance. So this is how you can easily set up these two features, that is bump offer appearance and next is arrow features. So now let's quickly discuss some more features. So for this let's go to order bump list. So we are on the order bump list, so let's click any of the bump order that we have created. So let's click on view or edit, and here this is the feature of countdown timer. So if you want to show the countdown timer on the bump offer to create urgency among the customers, like for which time period this particular offer is available, so from here you can easily enable it and set the time and date accordingly. And next is if you want to like customize the appearance of that particular bump offer, so in this plugin we have provided this functionality, like you can select these templates, like we have provided like these 5 templates. So these 5 templates are available, and if you want to further customize, so you can click on design. So here you can easily customize like different sections of this offer, like bump offer box, discount section, product section, accept offer section, offer description section. So like if you want to, like in the bump offer box you want to customize the border type, so from here you can select different options like solid, dashed, double. So this is how you can select the border type, and you can also customize the border color like this. And if you want to select the background color, so from here you can easily do it, like I'm doing like this. So you can see this, like from here whatever the customizations you are doing, so it is available in this offer preview section. And if you want to select the top vertical spacing and bottom vertical spacing, so from here you can easily do it. And if you want to customize this discount section, so from here you can select this background color like this, and here you can select the text color that you want to select and select the text size also. Next is product section. So from here you can easily select the text color like this, as you can see that. So in this product section you can easily select this text color by changing simply as per your requirements. So you can change the text color, as well as you can select the price text color, like whatever the price it is showing. So from here you can select the particular text color of the price. So you can easily select the text color price from here, like as you can see that it is rapidly changing. So when we are scrolling, and from here you can select the product size and text size and what will be the image width and image height. Like from here you can easily customize the image width and image height as per your requirements. So from here you can easily customize your product section including image width and image height as per your requirements. Now let us move to accept offer section. So this is the accept offer section. So from here you can select the background color like this, and here you can select the text color as I have explained you, and here you can select the customize the arrow color like this, and here you can also customize the text size as per your requirements. Next is offer description section. So from here you can also customize the background color like this, and here you can select the text color also like this. So this is how you can easily customize your templates as per your business requirements and as per your brand. And next you can also customize the content, like what will be the discount title and product description and lead title and offer description. So once you have customized all the design and content of this appearance of your bump offer, make sure you have clicked on save changes. So now let's quickly move to shop page. So now let's again quickly select one of the product and let's click on view cart and let's click on proceed to checkout. So as you can see that the countdown feature that we have selected or that we have enabled is coming here, and the days we have decided. So according to that, the countdown timer has been started, and as you can see that the border line that we have selected and the background color of that particular offer section and product section that we have decided, along with the image width and arrow color, is coming here. So this is how you can easily customize your bump offer template as per your brand requirements, and you can show the countdown timer and this arrow as per your requirements. So let's again go back. So this was all about some of the important features of this upsell order bump offer for WooCommerce Pro plugin that you can set up and increase your customer engagement and revenue. The links to the product have been mentioned in the video's description. You can check and get all the details. For any doubt, contact us anytime and we will be glad to help you. And if you are facing any queries regarding the plugin features or functionalities, you can mention your queries in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest updates related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.